Get ready to unleash AI in your applications. In this tutorial, the N8 Ninja will show you how to transform ChatGPT into an API gateway. Watch as she demonstrates a clever workflow to generate unique superhero names using advanced AI techniques. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the powerful skill of integrating language models into your applications. The N8 Ninja is on a mission to liberate 1,000 people from bullshit tasks using n8n, a powerful node-based AI-native automation tool, and she won't stop until she's done. Join her and discover the digital ninja way. Try n8n for free with the link below.
We will start to craft this workflow by adding the basic LLM node. We don't need the chat trigger, so we remove it. We add the webhook trigger, which will generate our API entry point. We switch to post. We can also rename our path to something meaningful, like create name. For the response, we will choose respond to webhook. This will let our workflow run before returning the output. Below, we have some options like cause or response headers. We link our trigger to our AI node, and we add an OpenAI model node. In our LLM node, we change the prompt as defined below, and we write our prompt. For example, invent a superhero name. To return the result, we need to add the response to webhook node at the end of our workflow. We have a workflow that will be triggered by a post call. It will ask OpenAI to invent a name and return it as a response. We copy the URL from our webhook node and click on Test Workflow. We will use Postman to try our API. Let's paste the URL and set the HTTP method to post. And boom, we have a very fancy superhero name generated by AI. Okay, but there is one problem. Everybody on the internet can now call our API. This is not what we want, so let's see how we can secure our endpoint. n8n offers several very easy ways to secure an API call. For this example, we will choose JWT Auth. We will create a new credential, enter a secret phrase that only we know. Now, back in Postman, if we run our call again, we see that it is not working. We are missing our token. So in authorization, we can choose JWT Bearer and enter our super secret phrase. Let's try. Yes, we have again our superhero name, but with some weird characters, white spaces, quotes, etc. In the final step, we will clean our output so it is ready to use in our app. We will add an extra node, Edit Fields, in which we drag and drop the output from our chain node. This is very cool with n8n. We can add some JavaScript code directly in our fields, so we can trim. This is a JavaScript function that removes white spaces at the beginning and end of our text. And we will also remove possible quotes. Finally, we can rename the output to name instead of text. And let's run one last time our workflow in Postman. Here we go, a nice and clean, well-formatted output containing a name generated by AI.
Thank you for watching. I hope that the N8 Ninja could be helpful to you. If you want to support her work, thumb up and share this video. If you have any questions or workflow requests, drop a comment. And if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep building and see you around, dear crafters.